This is right, for sure.
Oh yeah, it's perfect.
Apacheru, apacheru, aroma. Apacheru, 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 aroma. Ha 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 hey, 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 ha hey, ha hey, ha hey.
So the kind of cacao we have here in the Amazonia or all over Ecuador is the Cacao Fino de Aroma, or what we know as the Cacao Nacional or Cacao Criollo. The Cacao Criollo is the mix of that, the flowers we have here. That's what gives the very special flavor. And like you see it here, see there.
Oh, I see. This is right.
Yeah, this is a cacao pot.
I hope it's right.
I hope
Yeah,
it's
this
right,
is-
huh, Gabriel? Yeah, I'm sure it will be.
This is right, for sure.
Oh yeah, it's perfect.
You guys, look at how Gary opens it up with the machete. He's like,
Okay,
opens it
this
up
is
like
a
pack.
cacao.
Just try it.
Put in your mouth.
Like the wab.
Yeah, like the guava, yeah?
Thank
This
you.
tastes like a little bit more like mango. Because we have a bunch of flowers and they mix it out these flowers, and we are so privileged because the location we have is that's why.
Si quieres puedes probarlo.
¿Así?
La pepita
ya.
La pepita pelada, ¿sí?
Vamos a poner 3 a la vez. Y contar 1, 2, 3 y ponemos otra vez.
Yo puedo. Ok, no, pero espera, que vayan los otros.
It looks like coffee almost. But is it
Yeah.
moist? The consistency,
It's a little moist.
it's a little bit moist. Interesting. Okay, we just tried the pure chocolate. It was super tasty but very bitter. And so now we've added some sugar cane and water.
You know, the chocolate melt between 40 to 50 and the sugar melt between 50 to 60. When both melt together is what makes the fondue, chocolate fondue. So now we're trying to make this now.
Okay.
Of course, that takes between 7 to 12 minutes too,
Okay.
until almost all the water evaporates. So it will be just the fusion of these two elements.
Uno mejor que otro.
Uno mejor.
Ya.
Vienen con malas energías, serán, o están mucho más cansados, el estrés.
Nelly, what did you think of pure chocolate?
Really like seeing the process and 100% natural, organic. Very.
Enjoy it, guys. You were thinking I'm going to eat all one at once. Okay. Please eat it. Don't wear it. And there you go.
Thank you.
Be careful, it's a little warm. You can have it with a banana or with strawberry. Enjoy it, guys.
At once.
Please come over here. Don't throw the sticks because you can reuse it with the bananas.
Okay. How is it, you guys? Kids.
Delicious.
We have it here the cinnamon, this is chili, and this is vanilla.
Okay.
Okay, that's why I give you so you can choose, you can have a taste. And this is the original flavor. So you can taste with this, with a banana, strawberry, or apple. So no, it's a pear, sorry. And you can taste with this one because it's a little more plain flavor. So you can find it with this one. So that shows you how many mixes you can have with the chocolate. So you can mix almost everything with chocolate. It's always going to taste delicious.
Ali, which one was your favorite?
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Let me try vanilla.
Vanilla.
Ahora sí deben unirse todos a la.
Really, really good. Qué delicioso.
Mm-hmm.